Sean Diddy Combs, the famed music mogul, finds himself at the center of a highly publicized federal court battle. Recently denied bail on charges including sex trafficking and racketeering, Diddy remains in a federal jail in Brooklyn, facing a reality starkly different from the lavish lifestyle he once led. The charges against him paint a disturbing picture of exploitation and manipulation, alleging that he used his influence to coerce women into participating in abusive scenarios under threats of violence, blackmail, and even kidnapping. While Diddy has pled not guilty, insisting he has never assaulted anyone, the severity of the allegations and the supporting evidence presented by prosecutors have kept him from securing bail thus far. In court appearances, Diddy appears visibly distressed, a sign that he is beginning to comprehend the gravity of the charges and the challenges he faces. Despite having offered $50 million in bail to remain under house arrest at his Florida mansion, his requests were denied twice, with the judge citing Diddy's potential risk to the community and fears he could obstruct the investigation or intimidate witnesses. Even appeals to the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals have not worked in his favor, and his lawyers have noted that Diddy is struggling to adapt to the harsh conditions of the Metropolitan Detention Center (MDC), a jail infamous for its poor living conditions, overcrowding, and lack of hygiene. Reports from MDC describe cramped spaces, inadequate heating, and even regular power outages that leave inmates in total darkness. For a celebrity accustomed to unimaginable luxury, the transition has been both jarring and terrifying. As Diddy's time in jail lengthens, more accusations continue to emerge. Recently, a new lawsuit was filed alleging that in 2000, he drugged and assaulted a 13-year-old girl following the MTV Video Music Awards. This new case, one of over 120 planned by the plaintiff's legal team, has added an additional layer of complexity and public shock to Diddy's already troubled situation. The allegations are mounting, with social media buzzing about the possibility that other high-profile figures, including Justin Bieber and Usher, may have been similarly exploited during their youth. The growing support for these allegations has fueled a wider conversation about abuse and accountability within the entertainment industry, casting Diddy in an increasingly negative light. Inside jail, Diddy is held in solitary confinement in MDC's Special Housing Unit, which is designated for high-risk inmates. With only 1 hour of outside time each day, he is confined to a tiny 6 by 9 foot cell, his once glamorous existence reduced to a single blanket, a steel toilet, and minimal personal items. Reports of Diddy breaking down emotionally and finding it hard to cope have surfaced, with some suggesting he fears a lengthy sentence if found guilty. Given the weight of the accusations and the limited support from former associates, Diddy's life behind bars represents a complete transformation for someone once celebrated as a cultural icon. The severity of his case has drawn attention from both the public and legal analysts, who agree that Diddy's high-profile status has not shielded him from the law's reach. As the trial date approaches, it is clear that this is only the beginning of a lengthy, possibly career-ending battle for Diddy, for a figure who built his empire on fame and influence. The reality of prison life is a sobering reminder of the consequences that come with such serious accusations. Remember to subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about the most sought-after exciting events.